guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ashwarya and I'll be making videos on beauty, fashion, travel and lifestyle. Today we're going to talk about a few products that I got from Amazon, Nykaa and Plum, which is in the skincare and beauty category. So if you're interested, keep watching and I'm hoping you enjoy this video. First off, we have the sheet masks from Nykaa. These are from the brand Tony Moly. It's a Korean brand and it's such a good product, and they always have offer on these. I got these on buy 7 get 7 free. They also have buy 3 get 2 free, and these are so good. These retail at 100 rupees each if you're not getting like in bulk. And my favorite here is the CB one. Next off, we have the Clinique Moisture Surge. It is everyone's favorite and it really works well. And you can even use this as an overnight mask. It is a little pricey, but it definitely is worth it. From Nykaa, we have a lot of lipsticks actually. And these are my favorites. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I got 2 shades, 150 Voyager and 130 Self Starter. I love these lipsticks. They stay on your lips for so long and it does not feel dry. Right now I'm wearing this particular shade, the Self Starter. Next off is Maybelline Intense Crayon. This is from Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon, and this is a Maybelline Intense Lip Crayon, and I really like the Maybelline one a lot. It is super pigmented and it is not drying. And wait, let me show you this color. Okay. So next up, actually I have a lot of lipsticks. That's why I'm not showing you the swatch of each and every lipstick. Let me just show you. I got a few more from Maybelline. These are Color Essentials by Maybelline, and these are also super good. I got all 3 in kind of nude shades. I love nude. This is nude ones, and I really love these shades. And yeah, this is a coffee color. I'm not so much into coffee, but I am getting experimental and I want to really try. Next off, we have a few lipsticks from lip creams actually from NYX. These are my favorites. These are the first kind of liquid lipsticks I started using, and I love this formula. So next off, Lip Gradation by Maybelline. Again, this mauve, I think this is mauve 2, and this is my favorite shade. And I have been using this for a long time, especially to office, because it is a very neutral color. It does not like pop up. Next off, moving on to Amazon haul. So we have this brush set from Amazon. I had ordered these. It was a pack of 12, I guess, and it looks super good, super cute, and it is really good quality. It is really good quality. And we also get makeup blender. I'm yet to try this. I want to know the quality of this one. I'm going to try this later. But these brushes, my god, these are such good quality and look so classy, and the brushes are so damn soft. So soft, guys. You guys, just look at it. They look so damn pretty. I've been using Plum for a long time now because I'm loving it. And yeah, they came in a box like this. I have been using their green tea alcohol-free toner, and guys, trust me, it is such a good product. And all of these products from Plum I have got for oily and acne-prone skin, and I literally can feel a difference. I can see a difference on my skin using a few products, especially Plum, and this one as well has helped me so much, the Clinique Moisture Surge. And there is this night cream from Plum that I have been using every night before bed, and this is my 3rd tub, and I am so much in love with this. Out of all the products from Plum, I really love and recommend this one. If you have oily and acne prone skin and you're dealing with acne marks, please give it a try. I have suggested the same to a few of my friends and they have loved it too. So next up we have another product from Plum. It is from the same green tea range and it is their Skin Clarifying Concentrate. I have been using all of these Plum products together. So last but not the least, we have another product from Plum. This is my absolute favorite kajal. It came in a very cute packaging. Wait, let me show you. My sister has been using this for the longest time. I have been eyeing this product and now I have it in my life and I have been using it, and it's so dark and pigmented and it stays for so long without smudging. And it came in with a sharpener, which is really cool. So that's all for today, you guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for tuning in.